Welcome to Principles of Accounting. I wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to the course. My name is Miss Horn and I'm excited to be your instructor. So right now we are on the home page and you will see that I have my contact information at the top with my office hours. And then you will see the textbook information. And then an explanation of how this course works, which I'm going to talk to you about in just a second. So here are your assignments for week 1, and each week I will post the assignments due for the week on the home page. Also, here are your proctored exam dates, when they open and when they are due. And at the bottom, you can always click on the start button, and what it will do is it will take you to the Canvas modules. So let's look at that. Okay, so you will not be able to do anything in Canvas modules until you complete the online orientation module. Then you will see a module called Important Course Information. This is all the information for the course as far as your calendar with your due dates, your syllabus, my office hours, a little bit about me, and then grading and late work policy. Be sure to look at the late work policy for the course so you know what to expect if you do submit something late. Also, there's a module for Cengage. This is just information about Cengage, what you need to do to get started for your online homework. And so here's step 1, here's step 2. And then these are some troubleshooting guides and some how-to videos. You don't have to look at all of that, but it's there if you need it. And then you'll start seeing your chapter modules. And in your chapter modules, there's basically set up the same way each chapter. You have your intro and learning objectives. You have the PowerPoint, and then you'll have the lecture with me. And then you'll have some videos. In some of these videos, you'll have to watch it, and then you'll have to take a quiz on the video. Then you see your Cengage homework and your adaptive study plan. So for each chapter, you will have to complete those 2. And then in the first week, I want to know what name you go by, so I can call you by the name that you are used to be called by. And then you have some study buddies to help you practice studying for your test. And over here on the left side, you have your bookshelf to access your book. And you have Smarter Proctoring. If you click on that, that's where you will go to set up your exam appointments for your proctor test. And that is pretty much it. That will get you started. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me and I will be glad to answer those. I'm looking forward to a great semester and I hope that you have a great first week.